Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 19th of January, 2023. Carl Icahn, I did a video a while back talking about how he's shorting GME or Gamestop. Well, there was an article that was posted by the street right here. You guys can see how his short position could backfire. Now, what do you think? Obviously, this article is only being construed and created because of what occurred the last couple of days in GameStop. Price has been going up. This article was posted on the 17th of January. Now they want to produce articles to get people to click. I get it. That's the name of the game. But we're going to talk about the price action in GameStop, because if we're going to look for the market to go higher in GameStop, then guess what? That's the team that we're going to participate with. So look at the chart real quick. Okay, you guys can see it right here. The market went against me in my price prediction as well. I was looking for the market in GameStop continue to trend lower. I had my resistance area all the way up here around $19, $20. And once price in GameStop came to that particular area right here on the 12th, I automatically knew that the buyers were controlling the price. So this did not go right. You have to know when you have reached your limitations, or when the market has shown you that your idea is incorrect. It's shown me right there on the 12th. So yeah, this didn't go right. It even gave me an idea that price in GameStop was pretty much stronger than what it was in terms of weakness in my price prediction right there on the 10th. Okay, so we need to talk about the market action in GameStop. So yes, this one did not go correct. I will show you every price prediction that I produce, the ones that I get right, the ones that I get wrong, because these are learning opportunities. And in this particular situation, what could we learn from this? Right? What could we learn as to what day did price tell us that rather than price going down, it's going to go up? It was right there. This particular day, it told us that your idea is leaning to be wrong. And then we saw the next day, like every day the market trades gives us more information that we didn't have prior. So when I did this video, the strength wasn't being seen on the chart in GameStop, but it began to be seen on the 10th. It was seen on the 11th, and definitely on the 12th. So yes, GameStop is not trending weak right now. Okay, cool. It gives us more information on how we need to be trading. And not only did price in GameStop exceed my resistance area of $19.85, it has also broken the trend line. Right? Price in GameStop has broken the trend, or maybe it hasn't. Maybe it hasn't. Let's cut that out the way. Now let's go. Rather than us seeing the market in GameStop trending down now, look at the last couple of days. Right? This is why the street created that article, because from the low of January the 6th to the last trade of yesterday, well, let's just do the high. To the high of yesterday, the market ran 43% in GameStop. 13 days of trading and the market ran up 43%. And so many people on YouTube have dropped doing price predictions and talking about stocks that they missed out on a pretty good move right there. So now look at this. Famed investor Carl Icahn has revealed himself as to be a true GameStop bear. However, history has shown that things can get ugly fast for GameStop short sellers. Yeah. Now look at these bullets. Carl Icahn has been building a GME short position of undisclosed size since early 2021. People don't tell you what they're up to. Understand that. The stock market, you don't tell people your strategy, your edge. They're in it, and it's a competition. Like, who's going to get the best deal? Who's going to get the best price? And who's going to profit? Only thing you know about this situation with Carl Icahn is that he's short in GME. You don't know at what price that he's short. You don't know how big his position is. You don't even know if he's profiting right now in GameStop. Next bullet. Although Icahn's short position has probably been profitable so far, holding a short position in GameStop can be extremely risky thanks to GME's mean stock characteristics. Yeah. Okay. You don't think that he hasn't done his research? Like, for real. Let's be 100. This individual has been in the game for a long time. He's been in the stock market for a long time. He's not just throwing darts. He knows what he's up against with GameStop and his position in it. And then guess what? This article is being garnered as if he's still in his short position. How do you know he's still in it? He might even sold out of his short position. You won't know that until it discloses on his 13F or 13K in his SEC filings for his business. You won't know until the end. GameStop has been highly shorted for years. Currently about $1 billion worth of GME shares are held short. This was produced on the 17th of January. $1 billion worth of stock. Okay, so let's get back to the chart though. Let's look at GameStop on a 2 weeks chart because I want to show you how so far we've seen the market in GameStop hit bottom. Now, I'm not trying to tell you that this is the absolute bottom, but momentarily, the last 2 weeks we've seen price in GameStop go as low as $15.41 and close up there at around $20.50. Okay, now whoop-de-doo, right? Where do you think price is headed? Like, this is going to get people caught in some very dangerous, precarious situations, because not only have we seen the market already run in GameStop, $23.25 is going to be a pretty good area for us to see the market show sellers. Okay, look at GameStop on the weekly. So it's a pretty good move that occurred into the market in GameStop right here on the week. You guys can see it. This one weekly price bar literally came through and knocked out the last three weekly price bars all in 1 week. Okay, now it doesn't mean that we need to be gung-ho and just go massive bull market in GameStop. Not at all. Even on this current weekly price bar, we're seeing the market close off of the highs even right now. 5-day chart, I like it right here. This 5-day price bar tells me that the strength currently is trying to come through the market in GameStop. Okay, especially on the 5-day. I like that one. Here it is on the 3-day chart. We're still seeing some ability in the market to try to trend higher. It's going to be hard for the buyers to really show you a massive move up, is what I'm trying to say. It doesn't mean that we're not going to see the price go up. It's just going to be hard. Okay, it's going to be hard. So I am going to look for a price though in GameStop to continue to trend higher, but I'm not going to be massively bullish. Okay, this is the reason why we're understanding price getting rejected yesterday. So this is the current area of resistance in the market in GameStop. Right there, $22. Okay, so I'm here showing you where the mines are. As to, okay, price doesn't go above $22. We know why. Sellers are there. All right, so let me go ahead and get rid of that trend line that I just did, and let's go ahead and play some strength in the market. Okay, now we don't want to see market fall below this area here in GameStop. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you what we got. It's a very tight range. First price target is going to be 22. That's 5.67%. My second one is going to be up here around $23.25. Okay, and that's about it. We need more confirmation. We really need to see this move that occurred right here in GameStop if it's real. It's been a great run, and now I would suspect that since it's been a great run, people are going to try to come through and take some profit and try to move the market back down, which is why I'm showing you price cannot break no lower than the support area for us to really grasp and say that yes, even though we're seeing price go down, it didn't break $19.41 or $19 even. We live on to see price continue to go up. It's just going to take it a while. Okay, so this is what I'm showing you all right now into the market for GameStop. First price target 22. Second one is going to be $23.25. Okay, now as time goes on, like I said, I'm not going to be here doing videos day in and day out on one stock. If you continue to see the market give you strength on these price bars, when you transition time frames, then you already know that the strength is still okay and that the market's going to continue to trend higher in GameStop. And I'm really seeing the third price target will be around 24. That's another area, so I'll move that up to there as well. All right, so I'm done. Give me your thoughts though. Let me know, how do you think market's going to go in GameStop? Do you think price is going to continue to go up, thereby hurting Carl in his short position in GameStop? Or do you think it's going to begin to go back down in price, thereby garnering him more profit? Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.